Right, let's make a doily Christmas decoration. I'm making decorations today, so use whatever size doily you have. I'm using these ones, which are approximately 8 inches. I was going to do that, so used to doing that with journals, right? So then you just kind of bring them in, okay, like that. We don't want them meeting. Don't know where it is, but my hand's just not working today. Okay, and then fold it up. We want them kind of level. That is better. Just, these aren't the best doilies. Okay, and then you fold them there. We need a stapler. Okay, and what we're doing here and here is we're stapling them in there. Let me get my hand in. Okay, so staple them. Like, this stapler's probably too big. There we go, like that. Then you do the same on the other side. Okay, like that. Okay, and then you do that to 6 of them. So I will do 6, then I'll come back. Okay, so I got carried away and started gluing it all together. So once you've done them all like that and you've taped them all, right, you start stacking them on top of one another, and you will put a little bit of glue down there and a little bit down the bottom, and we will, let me see, I'm trying to think which one. Okay, and a little bit down there, and then there, like so. Okay, and then you open it all out, and do we need one more? No, I don't think so. Okay, and then we'll just do the same there. So we want a bit of glue here, a little bit there, and then that's, the paper on this is quite delicate, so I'm gonna have to hold that for a little bit. And there you have it, another decoration. Okay, that one just needs a little bit to dry. Again, this was another Instagram inspired decoration. Let me see. Oh, that's cool. That's gonna look cool hanging from my ceiling. Okay, and that's all I'm going to do to that, apart from where is it? I think I glued it there. I'll have to reinforce something there because the paper is rather thin. Maybe put like not an eyelet but a paper reinforcer either end, and then put my string, my clear string through. What's happened here? What's happened here? Okay, that needs to go like that. There we go. Okay, so that's my decoration. I've just played around with it too much before letting it dry. Okay, oh, I know what it was. This has come apart. I'm never going to get that back in there again. I'll do something, I'll fix that. Okay, so there we go, another little doily snowflake, if that's what you want to call it, decoration.